I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to redeem codes in Marvel Rivals. As part of this, I'll give you the code that will give you the Mark 42 costume for Iron Man, which can be redeemed through March of 2025. Step 1. Navigate to the Marvel Rivals home screen and then click the settings icon at the top of this screen. The settings menu opens. Step 2. Click Bundle Code in this menu. The bundle code window opens where you can enter the code you want to redeem. Step 3. Enter the code you want to redeem and then click Use. I'll include the code I'm using in the description and pinned comment, which you can also use to get the Iron Man Mark 42 costume through March of 2025. The next screen briefly shows a congratulations message, and then you'll see an animation that shows off the item you received. Eventually, you'll land on an information screen where you can choose to equip your item if you want to. Alternatively, you can press the button to back out of this screen if you don't want to equip the item at this time. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.